Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So welcome to the beautiful island, Jamaica. So I'm in St. Elizabeth. Gonna take a tour of Bacon. So when you're in Bacon, it's very close to the Treasure Beach area, also to Newcomb Valley, and also to Lewistown. Always remember to give the video a big thumbs up. Just press the like button for me, please. Yeah man, so you can get to reach a lot of different persons all over the world who want to know about the beautiful Jamaican natural paradise. Can see where they plant a lot of pumpkin in this area, also farming area. Also when you touch on the south side, a lot of different types of farming take place out in the Bacon area. As you know, St. Elizabeth is the bread basket. Yeah man, you have everything in St. Elizabeth, my people. We have everything in St. Elizabeth. We have every different types of fruit, river, having different beaches, waterfalls also. If you make a right turn, we'll take you back to Watchwell. Yeah man, just a true Jamaican vibes with Fire Reid. So I'm heading straight to Billy's Bay in the Treasure Beach area. You know, Billy's Bay is a very nice place also. So when you're in the Bacon area, you get a nice view over in the Treasure Beach area, Billy's Bay side. Nice view of the sea. And you know, in Treasure Beach, you know, you have your different places. You can go and have your relaxation on the beach. You can go to Lashings, you can go to Jack Sprat, you can go to 77 West. Yeah man, so you know, so that is a very nice place. You can go. If I want to come St. Elizabeth, just touch on the south side. Very, very nice place. we having a little bit of road condition, so you know the road is not 100%, but you know still can take it to your destination same way. This is where you see different areas in St. Elizabeth, also in Jamaica. Yeah man, I don't know how Jamaica stay. Just chat the road with Fire Reid. Yeah man, a tour guide, Jamaican tour guide. Take on to many different places. Man, I can't feel good for climb them hill here, you know. Very steep hill. People know so Jamaica nice. Yeah, many different areas. to Billy's Bay.